This is the exact pipeline I use to make every single video on this channel. From blank page to published video, 6 tools, $0, entirely from a phone. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete system ready to use today. Over the last 7 videos, I've shown you the tools: Quen for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceover, Hugging Face for video clips, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnails, Notebook LM for research. But every single time, I've gotten the same comment: this is great, but how do they all fit together? Huh? That's exactly what this video answers. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete pipeline, step by step, tool by tool, not separately, together, in order, in real time. And at the end, I'll show you the actual video I made using this exact pipeline, from blank page to upload, in under 2 hours. Let's build it. Step 1, research. This is where every video begins. I open Notebook LM at notebookLMGoogle.com. Create a new notebook. I paste in 5 to 10 YouTube links on my topic. Articles, videos, whatever exists on the subject. Notebook LM reads all of them simultaneously in about 2 minutes. Then I ask 3 questions. 1. What are the 5 most important things to cover? 2. What angle would be different from what already exists? 3. What would someone watching this video actually want to walk away knowing? Those 3 answers become my video foundation. Total time, 8 minutes, what used to take 4 hours. Step 2, the script. I take everything Notebook LM gave me and open Quen at Quen@Quen.ai. My prompt looks like this. Write a 12-minute YouTube script about topic. Tell 1, direct and honest. Include a cold open with a shocking fact, 5 main sections with clear transitions, and a CTA. Target audience, US creators. Hook should make someone stop scrolling. Quen gives me a full script in 30 seconds, but here's what most people skip. And this is critical. I rewrite it. Every section I add my own opinion, my own experience, something only I could say. This is what separates content YouTube promotes from content YouTube buries. AI gives me the structure. I provide the soul. Total time, 20 to 30 minutes. Step 3, voiceover. Script is done. Now I open 11 Labs on my phone browser at 11labs.io. Free account, 10,000 characters every month. For a 12-minute video, that's roughly enough for 1 complete video per month on the free tier. Voice selection matters. For US audience, I use Adam or Josh. Both sound natural, confident, and American. I paste my script in sections, generate each section separately, download each audio file. The voiceover you've been listening to in this entire series, that's 11 Labs. Could you tell? That's the point. Total time, 5 to 8 minutes. Step 4, visuals. While my voiceover is generating, I open Hugging Face spaces in another browser tab. Search for LTX Video Turbo or any other video generation model. I look at my script, identify the 6 to 8 main visual moments, and write a prompt for each one. My prompt formula: setting plus action or mood plus camera style plus lighting plus quality. Example: cinematic wide shot, busy coffee shop at dawn, warm golden light, shallow depth of field, slow motion, 4K. I queue up all 6 prompts, let them run. While they generate, I move to the next step. Parallel processing, never waiting idle. This mindset alone cuts total production time in half. Step 5, editing. This is where it all comes together. By now, voiceover is downloaded, visuals are downloaded. I open CapCut, new project. Import voiceover first, that's my anchor track. Then I layer the AI visuals on top, matching each clip to what the voiceover is describing. My editing rules, 4 of them. Rule 1, every clip maximum 8 seconds, never longer. Rule 2, bold text on screen every 20 to 25 seconds. Rule 3, auto captions always on. 60% of viewers watch without sound. Rule 4, music volume never above 20%. Voice first, always. Follow these 4 rules and your edit will feel professional every single time. Step 6, the thumbnail. And this one matters more than most people realize, because a great video with a bad thumbnail gets 0 views. I open Canva, select YouTube thumbnail template, and follow one formula: big bold number or plain, left side; relevant visual or icon, right side; 2 colors maximum, dark background or pure white; Font, Anton or Bibas new, always. The thumbnail's job is one thing only. Make someone ask a question they can only answer by clicking. That's it. That's the entire strategy. 10 to 15 minutes, thumbnail done. Let me put the full picture together. Research, 8 minutes. Script, 25 minutes. Voiceover, 7 minutes. Visuals, 35 minutes. Editing, 50 minutes. Thumbnail, 12 minutes. Total, 2 hours and 17 minutes. From blank page to published video on a phone. For free. That's not a theory. That's last Tuesday for me. I promised you at the start I'd show you the actual video I made with this pipeline. That video is this channel. Every video you've watched in this series was made using exactly this pipeline. On a phone, with these 6 free tools. The scripts came from QN. The voice you've been hearing, 11 Labs. The visuals, Hugging Face. The editing, CapCut. The thumbnails, Canva. The research, Notebook LM. The proof isn't in what I'm telling you. It's in what you've been watching. That's the pipeline. That's the proof. And now it's yours. You now have everything you need. 6 tools, 1 pipeline. $0. A phone. There's only one thing left to do. Use it. Tonight, open Notebook LM. Pick a topic you know something about. Paste in 5 links. That's step 1. Just step 1. And when you publish your first video using this pipeline, I want to see it. Drop the link in the comments. I read every single one, and I will watch it if this series helped you. Subscribe means you'll get notified when I find something that makes this pipeline even faster. And I'm already testing something that I think does exactly that. See you in the next one.